We're going to be unboxing an Ultrasabers mystery box order. I ordered 16 Ultrasaber mystery boxes, and we're just going to jump right into it. Box arrived today in FedEx. And the box is not in the best of shape. Alright, that's the first box. Well, I was expecting the traditional paper wrapping, and that's not what we've got so far. Looks like everything's wrapped individually in bubble wrap, and I can see what's in there, so let's see what's in the second box. I also got, the first box had a CoverTech belt clip that I ordered, and all the Allen wrenches. And I got 2 blade plugs. I just got the basic blade plug. Take a look at that. Alright, here's the second box. Now, I ordered 16 Ultrasaber mystery boxes, and they were doing a special promotion in which I've got 4 lightsabers for free. So I should have, in addition to the 16 mystery boxes, there will be a free initiate, a free grab bag, a free mystery box, and a free Frankensaber. I'm going to clear some of this off, and we will open them as we go. All right. Well, I was not expecting the blades to come attached. So let's jump right in. This appears to be the free initiate. and Guardian Blue. So we've got the metallic switch and really no extras, it's just the initiate. Alright, next. Alright, this one appears to be a Dominic's V4 metallic guarded switch with emitter windows in stunt saber configuration, and we've got Guardian Blue also. Let's go. This looks like a Dark Apprentice LE. This one appears to be the Dark Apprentice LE V4 with emitter windows. It has the metallic guarded switch with the red blade. So good. Alright, well, this one is a Manticore guarded black metallic switch, and it's got some vents in the pommel. I'm really excited about this one. These, like I said, these did not come with the brown paper wrappings, and I didn't get the white label, so I can't tell for sure, but yeah, it's a sound saber and a red blade. Doesn't appear to have flash on clash. Still, it's a sound saber. That's wow, that's awesome. I wasn't expecting that. Alright, here's our next bundle. Get right into it. Well, unwrapping seems to be taking less time. This is the Dark Initiate V4. Silver metallic guarded switch with emitter windows in red as well. Next up, standard battle issue saber. Looks like a V3. Guarded silver metallic switch in red. This is a Aeon V3, guarded silver metallic switch. I like these double choke points. Looks like the battery might be. Yeah. In case you're wondering, this standard battery configuration is 4 AAA batteries. Got a handy Velcro strap here that will try to keep the batteries from coming out. Guardian Blue. Oh, got another Eon here. This time a dark Eon LE, it looks like. Eon V3. Guardian Blue also. Wow, those are matching. It's a shame they're not both one color. They make a nice staff. All right. Well, this order came in much sooner than I expected. Lead time was supposed to be 3 to 5 weeks. And there was a warning that it might take even longer. And I got this order in less than 2 weeks. So I was really excited about that. All right. Another dark Initiate LE V4 it looks like, with the mirror windows. Another silver metallic guarded switch. I've gotten all metallic switches so far. Looks like in the rush to ship the order, there wasn't any AV switches shipped. Oh, first green. Nice. Alright, well that looks really nice. It's a shame those are not the same color though. I'd like to get a couple of them that match to make a staff out of it. Alright, well it looks like we have another Initiate V4 standard colorization, and I was just complaining about the AV switches, and here I've got one here. No wheel tech cover, no wheels yet. Let's take a look at that. Wow. That Edigan silver looks really good, especially with this particular setup. I like it. I like how much more quiet that button press is. Alright, well that's the first half of the haul, including a sound saber, which I would have liked to save for the end, but we don't have to listen to that hum, but I'm looking forward to seeing what the second half looks like.